Let me say something that's very sad about the Jews.
They
They have the truth,
They don't have the truth.
but they reject the truth.
No, they don't have the truth. Don't give that the privilege they have got the truth.
Well, they had it.
Only I tell you the truth is this book.
Yeah.
Yeah, only this. And I can show you because this book is hidden in all parts of the world. People have written books on these books saying that this. You see, can you believe this book of God? I can show you this is a book of God in the Quran and this book of Moses.
You have a book in there called the Book of Moses?
No. This book is book of Moses.
Okay.
You can call this is God's book.
Which book is Moses' book?
This book you are holding in your hand.
Well,
You read, look what he says.
he said he gave the book of Moses.
Before.
He gave the book to Moses.
And read further.
Be not then in doubt of it reaching thee when
Yeah.
he did a guide to the children of Israel.
Do not doubt it's teaching you the
Well,
reader.
why don't the Jew ever follow the book then?
You brought this book into the world because just for nothing. This is the book that went to Moses. And it said, do not be doubt, it's teaching you. They are talking some other book. Pentateuch, Old Testament, God said to Moses and Moses said to God.
Okay.
Directly God said to this
Did
book.
Moses speak Arabic?
Yeah, I'll show you here. I don't lie. I just show you.
I'm just asking because Arabic was not in existence at that time.
Look, you read here.
Arabic came from Chaldean language.
You can say anything. You read here.
Aramaic,
I didn't
Arabic,
write
and
this.
Hebrew. Okay,
Read.
what you got? And before this was the book of Moses as a guide and mercy, and this book confirms it in the Arabic tongue to admonish the unjust.
Now, what do you understand?
And before this, the book of,
Was Moses' book.
was the book of Moses
Yes.
as a guide and a mercy.
Moses' book. And this book confirms the Arabic language.
Yeah.
This book confirms the Arabic language you read. You don't have any language in this book. This book doesn't contain language. Look, I will read in Arabic for you if you don't mind, please.
Read it to me and then tell me what you think it means.
وَمِن قَبْلِهِ كِتَابٌ Musa. Before this is the book of Moses. Imam, leader. This book all the time is the leader. This book, Moses' book.
Keep going.
Imam and a mercy. This book. He's talking about God is
Leader,
merciful.
yeah.
He's talking about book of Moses is a leader. It will always be the leader. This Moses book. This Moses book. And this book confirms the Arabic language.
Says in the Arabic tongue, yeah.
Tongue is language. You can Arabic, lisan in Arabic. You can sometimes. What is your mother tongue? Then you say this. Otherwise, what is your language? What language you speak?
Okay.
The language and tongue. Arabic was one word. You can
But
translate.
you're saying the original book
Is
of
Arabic.
Moses is Arabic.
All the time this Arabic is there. The Quranic Arabic, the Arabic, not the Arabic spoken Syrian or Saudi, not language.
Yeah.
This Arabic language.
Archaic Arabic.
So now, if you say it was in Greek or if it says in Aramaic, this you are saying it. It doesn't say anything of its own. The whole
No,
book.
this book. Well, the original translations were not in Hebrew because there was no Hebrew at that time.
No. I'm talking about even the manuscript doesn't speak about the book God, which book God is talking about, what language he's talking
No, it
about.
never says.
But it tells you the language. It tells you the
This
language.
book says it's in Arabic.
Moses' book was Arabic. It says this book was given to Moses and now it's given to you, the reader. Take it.
And this book says what?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Of course nothing.
It just gives you the words.
It doesn't give you anything, man.
Yeah.
Nobody must simply this is a book of Moses, I believe.
Yeah. I
This-
never hear that.
I showed you.
Yeah.
I showed you. You read it.
Say Moses has it.
Huh?
It says Moses has it.
No, he gave the Moses to the book and the same book is given to you now. Don't doubt about it.